So today is my topic about the watercolor technique. So first let we come to the solid wash. So basically for this wash you need very less water so that no visible brush stroke marks should be there in your flat or solid. And the next is graded wash. It is from dark to light and you can wash it horizontally or vertically. Maybe if you ever work in Photoshop, so there is a one tool named gradient, so it is very similar to that one. And after that is a variegated wash. In this you can use a different color. It's same as the graded wash. In the graded wash we use the same color, but in the variegated wash we use the different color. And after that is a glazing. Glazing is nothing but a layering word, the opaque or transparency. Let it dry first. The term wet on wet mean wet brush into a wet surface. See how I did this. First I have apply water, then I will use a color. And after that there is wet on dry. So dry brush literally mean painting with a dry brush. This technique produces a broken line of colors. Let's come to the scumbling. It is a technique for adding textures to your artwork, dabbing or scribbling to create some patches or speck on color. This technique is excellent for your fur, hair, feather, tree, foliage, flowers. And then drop water on wet color or blend. I love this effect a lot. Mostly my artwork I use this technique. First apply on a color before it gets dry up. Add another layer or color. See how it spreads. And then come to the pushing out pigment. First apply any color, then soak your brush with the cloth or tissue paper, then push out color like this. And this technique is also very helpful to fix your watercolor error. It is a simple technique. You just have to put a drop of water on a color layer, or you can also splatter some drop of water on that. In a water splat and the bloom technique, I urge you to let it dry first to achieve the good result of your art. So as you can see, the first layer of glazing has been dry. So I will add another layer on top of it. So as you can see, the good effect has been came out of opaque and transparency, and third color is also formed. I just hope that you like this video, so please like, share and subscribe to my channel.